Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we take you through how to edit your company stamp in your SigniFlow profile. The company stamp feature was brought into the system to allow businesses to place their seal on documents instead of a specific signature. I will show you how to edit your company stamp to suit your needs. Now, let's get started with editing your company stamp in your profile. Step 1. Open your profile by clicking on the Profile drop-down tab. Within the drop-down, you will see a Edit Company Stamp tab. Select this option. Your company stamp page will open. Step 2. Uploading a company stamp. You can drag and drop an image, or upload an image from your computer by clicking in the Upload square with the arrow icon. Please note, you cannot upload any files larger than 500 kilobytes in size. Now, your company stamp will preview in the square to the right of the Upload panel. Step 3. You can adjust your company stamp settings. You have the option of enabling the transparency function by clicking on the corresponding toggle in the Settings panel. The transparency function removes all white from your uploaded image. You can save your uploaded company stamp by clicking on the Save button underneath the Settings panel. And that is how you edit your company stamp in your profile. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.